Good morning friends, welcome back to the channel. Today is 21st April 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 21st of April. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. First question was, which of the following bank has started safety grid initiative for encouraging people for social distancing? Answer is HDFC Bank. Recently, HDFC Bank has started safety grid initiative for encouraging people for social distancing. Second question was, Norman Hunter, member of Football World Cup winner team, has recently died of coronavirus. He was associated with which country? He was associated with England. Which state government has decided to extend lockdown up to 7th May instead of 3rd May 2020 in the state? Answer is Telangana. Recently, Telangana government has decided to extend lockdown up to 7th May 2020. Next question was, which of the following state has become the first COVID-19 free state in India? Answer is Goa. Recently, Goa has become the first COVID-19 free state in India. Goa had confirmed 7 COVID-19 patients and all are recovered now. Answer is Goa. Next question, the online delivery website Sighat has been launched by which state recently? Sighat has been launched by Chhattisgarh. Which of the following Indian organizations had made protein-enriched biscuits for COVID-19 patients? Answer is CSIR. Recently, CSIR, that is the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, has made protein-enriched biscuits for COVID-19 patients. Next question was, which state has become the first state in country to carry out rapid testing for COVID-19? Answer is Rajasthan. Recently, Rajasthan has become the first state in India to carry out rapid testing for COVID-19. And last question was, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Crick Kingdom recently? Answer is Rohit Sharma. Recently, Rohit Sharma has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Crick Kingdom. Crick Kingdom is a cricket academy based in Dubai. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's question. Our first question is, what is the S&P Global Ratings revised growth forecast for India for financial year 2020-21? Answer is option number 4, 1.8%. Earlier, S&P Global Ratings has estimated India's growth rate for the financial year 2020-21 as 3.5%, but now it has been revised to 1.8%. Answer is option number 4. S&P, that is Standard and Poor's, is an American credit rating agency. It was founded in 1816. Its headquarters is in New York City. Next question, which Indian multinational motor company has recently acquired 122-year-old iconic British company Norton Motorcycle Limited for rupees 153 crore? Answer is option number 1, TVS Motor. TVS Motor is an Indian multinational motorcycle company and it has acquired the 122-year-old iconic British company Norton Motorcycle Limited for 153 crore rupees. Answer is option number 1. Next question, the concept Team Mask Force is associated with which of the following organizations? Answer is option number 2, BCCI. Recently, BCCI has started an initiative called Team Mask Force to spread awareness about wearing masks in public places. A special video has been created by BCCI featuring India's most renowned cricketers to promote wearing masks in public places and help in the fight against COVID-19. Answer is option number 2, BCCI. What is BCCI? Long form of BCCI is Board of Control for Cricket in India. It is the highest governing body of Indian cricket. It was formed in 1928. Its headquarters is in Mumbai and currently President of BCCI is Saurabh Ganguly. Next question, what is the name of mascot for 2020's Asian Para Games? Answer is option number 1, Fifi. Fifi is a bird and it is the mascot for 2020's Asian Para Games. Asian Para Games is a multi-sport event that parallels the 2020's Asian Games, which will be held for Asian athletes with disability in Hangzhou, which is in China. Answer is option number 1, Fifi. And this Asian Para Games will be held in China from 9 to 15 October. Next question, who recently has launched Nearby Spot app to help users during the lockdown? Answer is option number 3, Google. Recently, Google has launched Nearby Spot app to help users to find local stores for groceries as the nation goes into the extended lockdown. Answer is option number 3, Google. Google is an American multinational technology company. It was founded on 4th of September 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Its headquarters is in California, US, and currently CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai. Next question: who among the following has recently selected as the all-time best captains of IPL by Star Sports? Options are Rohit Sharma, MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, and both 1 and 2. Answer is option number 4, both 1 and 2. That is, Rohit Sharma and MS Dhoni has been selected as the all-time best captain of IPL by Star Sports recently. Virat Kohli is selected as the IPL's greatest Indian batsman. Answer is option number 4. Next question: from which of the following nations India has received 6.5 lakhs testing kits to fight against the COVID-19? Answer is option number 2, China. Recently, India has received 6.5 lakh testing kits to fight against COVID-19 from China. This is China. Capital is Beijing. President is Xi Jinping and currency of China is renminbi. Next question: which of the following day is celebrated as World Liver Day? Answer is option number 2, 19th April. Every year, 19th April is celebrated as World Liver Day to spread awareness about liver-related disease. The liver is the second largest and most complex organ of the body. Answer is option number 2. Next question: which state has recently formed a committee to provide employment to 5 lakh migrated laborers who reached during the last 45 days in the state? Answer is option number 4, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Uttar Pradesh government has formed a committee to provide employment to 5 lakhs migrated laborers who have reached Uttar Pradesh during last 45 days. Answer is option number 4, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, look into the map. This is Uttar Pradesh. Capital is Lucknow. Governor is Anandabhen Patel and Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath. Sharad Kamal is associated with which sports? Answer is option number 3, table tennis. Look into the image. This is Sharad Kamal and he is associated with table tennis. Recently, ITTF, that is International Table Tennis Federation, has released a world ranking 2020, and in this ranking, Sharad Kamal has acquired 31st position. It is the highest position from India. Answer is option number 3, table tennis. Also, the Sharad Kamal has been awarded with Padma Shri in 2019 and Arjun Puraskar in 2004. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Hemophilia Day? Answer is option number 3, 17th April. 17th April is celebrated as World Hemophilia Day every year. Now, today's question. Question is, which state has become the first Indian state to initiate pool testing for COVID-19? Options are Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala and Maharashtra. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we'll discuss this question in the next video.